So first thing I'm going to do on this beautiful CBR is take the gas out of the tank. I have walked around it. I have kind of taken inventory on it, but I'll have to do that at another time. Other than rolling it off the trailer, literally on the side, and flipping it up into this spot, dripping brake fluid the whole way. This is really all I've done with it, other than admire it, be sad, and figure out what we got. Let me show you here. This is kind of concerning. We do have a little hole in the side cover of the engine, so I need a right side cover. Anybody have one? Send it my way. I am, sorry, got my hand in there. Missing rear sets. And there's no shifter, is there? That'd be the brake side. Okay, so I have no brake pad. Wait. What's this? Aha. Okay. Well, that line is leaking, I believe. All right, so we have it, but I don't know what's salvageable. Okay. All right, so that's a step in a direction. Cool. I'm not too worried about the cracked plastics, but the whole front end we're gonna need to replace. And I'm gonna assume we need a new radiator, and the header pipes are all pretty much shot, I believe. Maybe they'll run, I don't know. But my concern now is getting the gas out, and I'm gonna take the triple clamp off because that is ruined. I'm gonna take this off. What I've been trying to figure out is what I can do for a front end, so I can at least move it around. And I got an 82 Sabre that I have parts for, and I think I'm gonna put the triple clamp from the 82 Sabre on here, because that'll line up there. It doesn't get in the way of the tank, and I can put the front end, the shock struts, the shock towers through here. So I'm at least gonna have a front end. Then I can move it, so it's not sitting outside my back door. And then we'll do some more investigating. I think this side of the engine is okay. Rear set again. Some scrapes, but it's probably okay. I just want to get it moved and get started on it. So that's the update on the CBR today. Sorry if I'm long-winded, but there ain't much to save up here. So I'll show you when I get this triple clamp on there. Basically all I really need to do is to take this off, probably remove that, maybe these two bolts, and I should be able to get that up. And hopefully this one will fit on there, and maybe I'll mount the 82 Sabre front end to that, because it does have a tire and a wheel. It doesn't have brakes, but I don't know. Hopefully it all fits. This wheel might be okay, but this brake rotor is bent. I might be able to straighten that out, but I doubt it. There's not much to save here. Caliper might be okay. Maybe. I'm not fixing that fender. Really, I haven't seen this side for a long time because it's just been sitting here holding up the bike. It's kind of teetering on the header pipes. So yeah, let's do a Frankenstein. At least I want to get it rolling and running, and then we'll figure out the rest. But if anybody has a front end, let me know. I was looking for one on eBay. I don't want to spend a fortune. I really don't want to spend more than I need to. So if you have a 07, 08 CBR with a bad engine, I'll come get it from you if you're close enough. Give you a feature on my channel. So, catch you later. Subscribe if you want to. We'll be working on this guy among others. And catch the Super Magna video I'm putting together. Have a great one. Talk to you soon.